choosing a water pump, the first thing you need to know is where are you going to use it? At home, in your garden, your villa, or maybe in a workshop? Because every pump type has its own purpose. Centrifugal pumps. These are the most common ones for homes. They're simple, quiet, and great for boosting water pressure in houses or apartment buildings. Jet pumps. These are perfect when your water level is around 7 to 8 meters below the pump. They have stronger suction power than standard centrifugal pumps thanks to a particle ejector, but it also means they're louder. They're often used for villas, gardens, or shallow wells. Just make sure you install them somewhere where the noise won't bother anyone. Silent or inverter pumps. These are the quiet ones. They use inverter motors, which means lower noise, lower power consumption, and better temperature control. If you live in an apartment or need to install the pump inside your home, this type is perfect. You'll barely hear it running. Pumps for dirty water. When you're dealing with muddy or debris-filled water, go for a sewage or sludge pump. They're built with special impellers that can handle solid particles without damage, proper for wells, wastewater, or floodwater. Drainage pumps. These are like a lighter version of sewage pumps, made for clean or slightly dirty water, perfect for emptying pools and rainwater. Submersible pumps. These go underwater and work while completely submerged. Because they're in water, they're very quiet and don't need suction at all. They're perfect for deep wells, irrigation systems, pools, or drainage pits. Just make sure the wiring and installation are fully waterproof. Booster pumps. If your home has low water pressure, especially in upper floors, you'll want a booster pump. It increases water pressure so every tap gets steady flow. These are commonly used in apartment buildings, towers, and fire systems. Some even have smart control panels that automatically adjust pressure for stable operation. Finally, before buying any pump, consider these key factors: the height or height the pump needs to leave the water, the flow rate you need, the number of outlets or units, and of course the noise level. If you get these right, your pump will last longer and it'll work quietly and efficiently. If you have further questions, you can ask us at Phone Call Court.